Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. Yeah guys, I want to give you here an update on ticker Ehang. EH is the ticker here trading on the Nasdaq. Very popular stock back in the days. We had here a massive short squeeze from $10 to $12 range to more than $100. And now guys, we're trading here back at $20 after a huge shakeout. Ehang came back here to $3.32. So I give you now here my chart analysis, price prediction, and why I still think we have here a short squeeze potential. Everything what I say here is of course not financial advice. This is my opinion based on the chart, based on the technicals. Yeah guys, the market gives and takes. Right now we had here a very boring phase in January. The market traded sideways. Currencies like Bitcoin and Co are just trading since 8 weeks in a volatility range of around 20%. So we can clearly see that the market wants to decide if it starts to correct or if we see the next bull run, the next big breakout here. When we focus on Ehang, we know that the bottom has been in here at $3.32. As I said before, the actual previous bottom or IPO price was here in the $8 range. We traded here between $8 and $16, so we had here more or less 100% volatility range, and then Ehang started to short squeeze here and we had a massive squeeze. And yes guys, there is some open business in the chart that we could see here, also 3-digit prices again. I will show you that in a second. Yeah guys, while I'm recording this video here, it's not only Ehang, we have a lot of short squeeze tickers in the market. One of my so-called swing trade alerts, which I post on Patreon while I'm recording this video right now guys, is squeezing here 709%. Same as I said before, I posted this on Patreon in January. We traded here sideways, nothing guys, here was nothing happened here. And now we had here a massive short squeeze of 709%. I also had here a calculated landing zone where I expected the price to go. And this is what we have here for Ehang as well. That's why I show you that really quick guys. I also released yesterday my brand new hot stocks. So this is my finest selection of short squeeze stocks which I present every Sunday. If you also want to see those short squeeze stocks guys, you can of course join in here our trading community. Here the most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. This is where every day new members joining in guys, you get a lot of benefits here. And if you also want to become a part of this trading community, then you can click here the info card in the corner to get access to the Patreon member link. So guys, Ehang, let's now enable my drawings. So what we can see here first is of course that we have here some open orange numbers in the chart. These are open down gaps, so be careful guys. Whenever you see a stock with open down gaps, that means that the chance that the price comes down to these price levels is about 90%. The problem is with these down gaps, they can stay open for years. This is no problem. I even had charts which didn't close those gaps for 20 years and more, but then when there is some bearish momentum in the market or for this company, then they start to fill those gaps. So keep that just in mind. Ehang has the potential to crash like any other stock as well. We're trading here, the last closing price was $20.40. So you can see that the downwards potential here, just based on the technicals, is 79%. Keep that just in mind guys. But for now, we have a bullish setup. And this is what I want to show you right now here for Ehang. So here are my drawings guys. I made it a little bit more simple for you to explain where we are trading in guys. I will zoom out in a second. There is a reason why I'm not zooming out right now. So watch the video please until the end. So we have here some certain squeeze trigger price levels for Ehang. And you can see that here some algo zones in the chart where Ehang starts to react, which means we see a sell-off reaction when the price is trading below these price levels, or a squeeze reaction when the price is trading above those price levels. Very simple guys, it's everything based on algos. I know, the news always telling you something here, why we go up, why we go down. They always find reasons for that. In my opinion, my experience as a trader and my years of experience, I can tell you everything is more or less based on algos. News can help to bring new buyers in this stock, but that is not the reason why you see a short squeeze from here, for example, $7 to $125 guys. This is not the reason. So, and what we have right now here for Ehang is after this bottom at $3.32, you can see that we of course gained here a lot of momentum, And since this bottom has been in, Ehang squeezed here in total almost 700%. This is absolute massive. We had this swing trade squeeze here, guys, by the way, in just one day, or 2 trading days for 709%. Ehang took here, of course, a couple of months, but that is still, guys, very impressive, and that just shows how volatile the stock is and how much potential there is to see here a short squeeze. What I have right now, and this is the reason also why I make this video here, my last video was on January 10th. You can see here, guys, I said here is a potential buy-in zone. I will zoom in for you guys. This was the date when I made the video. It was the 13th of January, but I recorded it during Sunday, and we immediately came down here. Came down here to this bottom trend line, which I have in the chart. So this is the trend channel bottom here. I just made that here for help to make it more visible when I zoom out. But this here is the trend channel bottom, guys, and you can see since I released my last video on Ehang, January 10th, that's why I also can make an update right now, 1 month later, we can see that Ehang with the actual price action here in the pre-market squeezed 53%, guys. Yes, so that is not a coincidence that I can, that I can predict price levels like that. This is simply based on the chart. And what we have right now, so now we are here at the main algo resistance price level. This is this line here, guys. You can see that here, $21.06 is one of the main resistance algo price levels. I say resistance because Ehang is trading below it. What actually happens right now, and this is not a coincidence, guys, the market makers try to gap up the price over this price level. This is what usually happens when you have these kind of stocks. Ehang has a trading volume, an average trading volume of 1.8 million shares. This is not too much, but what the market makers do, they use the low volatile or the low volume trading hours, which is called pre and after market, to create these kind of gap ups to break the algos here that Ehang can breathe and can go higher here based on this price. So if this will be a successful breakout, we have to wait for that, yeah. But I just can show you that this price level here is key. That is not a coincidence that we have so many attempts from Ehang here to break this price level line. You can see all the attempts here, and we failed over and over and over again since July 2023. Ehang tries to break out here, but this could be now the final attempt. If not, guys, yeah, be careful, because then that means we maybe come down here back to this trend channel bottom, and the trend channel bottom is actually based on today's price here around $14 here, between $14 and $15. So we are trading here in a so-called wedge pattern. We have this wedge pattern here, which means we have our resistance algo line here from the top and the support line from the bottom. And what does that mean, guys? We need to see a decision. We need to see a decision if Ehang is able to break out or not. If we can break out here, then in my opinion here $27 and more should be possible or absolutely predictable based on this algo chart pattern which we have here. And if we see a bigger short squeeze, guys, now I can zoom out, yeah, if volume is coming in, if we can squeeze out of this trend channel line here, which is controlling the price, you can see here bottom of the trend channel, support, top, resistance. Yeah, we're coming down, top, resistance, coming down, support, boom, squeeze. No? Every time the same. If we can break out of this algo trend channel with volume, guys, then we talk here about the next price levels for Ehang, which is $41. But there is also one open business in the chart, which I also want to show you guys. Yeah, we zoom out now here. And we had this massive squeeze here, not $125, it was even $129 here. And there is some open business in the chart, guys, which is $89 to $94. This is not to hype you up to create FOMO. This is just based on the technicals. I have this calculated price goal, which is still unsettled. So if Ehang continues to squeeze, and especially if Ehang breaks $41, then we have even a price goal here from $94 based on the chart, based on the technical situation. So guys, if you want to copy here the price levels from my chart, this is everything based on TradingView, what you see here. This is the program what I use for all my videos and of course for all my own trades. And if you want to learn trading, I recommend that, guys. This is a good way to go to understand how the algos work, where to buy, where to sell. The chart is telling you the truth, the news, I don't know, guys. Make your own due diligence. But you can get here a $15 discount link for TradingView on the premium tier. When you click here the info card in the corner, you get access to this TradingView discount link. So, my friends, that was the update on Ehang. I hope that was helpful for you. If you don't want to miss any updates, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Viel Erfolg mit Ehang. Take care, guys. Bye, bye.